Hey my YouTube friends and family, thank you so much for clicking on this video. In today's video, I'll be doing a house tour. So pretty much this one is one that I've done already. This will be an update. So let me know what your thoughts are down in the comment section. And if you haven't done so as yet, please hit subscribe. Also like the video and share the video to a family member or a friend. Just go ahead and watch another video of mine if you haven't checked me out before. So just watch one and two video. Thank you for the support in advance, and just continue looking out to see what I come with next. So like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys. So this is pretty much an update. This is the double car garage, and from there we enter into the home, and to your left is going to be the laundry area, the laundry room. So from the laundry room we have a passage area. So this is going to be the dining area. And like I mentioned in the first video, it's an open concept, so it is open to the kitchen. So that's the kitchen over there. And from the kitchen, we enter into the family room. So this is the family room. Windows for natural lighting. And from the family room we enter to the back porch. Some people have veranda, some people have porch, so it's your preference. There's a difference between the two. I might mention the difference down in the description. So this is the back porch. You'll also be able to access the porch from the master bedroom. This is the master bedroom. So the last time I was here, there wasn't any roof on the house. So as you can see, the roof is on. It's a passage area that leads to the garage. So this is the bathroom, the primary bath. This is going to be the water closet. You can see the partition, 4-inch blocks. And over here we have the closet. closet, master bath, and from there we enter into the primary bedroom, our master bedroom. So let me go back to the common area, the family room. So we have the family room. This is a small foyer. You're gonna have a double wide door. And over here is gonna be an office. So large window for natural lighting. Back to the foyer, and this is the entry porch. So there we have it. Clean lines, no arch, clean straight lines. So over here we have 2 bedrooms. So there will be a bedroom behind this door, and there's also another bedroom back here. So for me, I always like to put the windows to the corner so that you can have your furniture. You can have the bed in the middle over there, or a TV wall. So that's the TV wall right there. So you can see the plugs and well, the plugs for the TV and the cable, all of that. So this is the closet. You can see the timber frame. And this is the bathroom that both rooms will be sharing. So, dining room, and we have the kitchen over here. So this is a large kitchen. Also, the dining room is actually large as well. Pretty spacious. So that's the view from the back porch. Pretty much yes to the Pedro Bluff. Yes, down a Black River. Yeah, it's a nice view. So there's a gazebo upstairs on top of the back porch, but there I don't have any access to get up there. I would love to show you the view from up there, but the stairs hasn't been built as yet. So that's the gazebo. So the stairs is gonna be around this side. So you can see the steel for for the stairs there. So you're gonna have a landing on that wall, and the stairs is gonna fall somewhere out here. So there we have it. Like I promised you guys, I was gonna do an update. So this is an update. Like I said, when I first came here, there wasn't any roof. So the roof is on. Also, they have roof gas inside, and outside has been rendered. So when I say rendered, this is a mixture of sand and cement, and they plaster it on the wall to give it a smooth finish. So when I first showcased this house, a number of persons or a number of people were saying why wasn't there a wall right here in the kitchen that opens out into the family room. But that was the owner's choice. He was the one that actually did all the design. He pretty much did the layout as how he wanted it, and I only brought it to life. So there we have it, and I think it's fine. In my opinion, I think it's fine, because it's still open and you still have access over in the family room, and the dining room is open to the family room, so everything pretty much still is open. So we go back to the garage. So let me show you this too. Like you come in with the groceries, at least you don't have a far way to get to the kitchen. So those are things when you're designing or when you're building, like things to think about, like the whole ease of use and accessibility. So those are little pointers and little things to think about. So guys, just let me know what you think in the comment section. Let me know if you like this one. Let me know if you'd want me to design your dream home. If so, my contact information will be down in the description. So you can shoot me an email or you can shoot me a text, and I'll get right back to you. So thank you guys for watching. And as always, if you haven't subscribed as yet, please hit subscribe. Like the video, share the video to a friend or a family member, and stay tuned for my next video.